Yep. One more video real quick. I'm just gonna do equilibrium part 2 and show you guys how to find equilibrium and what equilibrium is. So equilibrium is always found on your entry, and I've shown you guys the confluences of how to make a trade and how to basically find your daily bias, find your trend, find your liquidity sweep, and find your order blocks. And the last thing on my strategy that I always look for is equilibrium. And equilibrium is as such, okay? So we're going into Euro USD. Okay. Cool. Okay. Here we are. Here we are. This is a good area. This is a perfect area, right? Now, if I was to find an entry off of this place right here, and we're going for a long, okay? So this is how I would do it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it now, okay? So if you're going on equilibrium and you're looking for a long, one sec, this thing is, right? Okay. That's all that equilibrium is. And then if you're looking for a long position, right? This is it, guys. Put it right there, right? This is where our entry is, let's say right below that. And we are just longing the shit out of this right there. That's it. And this is where our stop loss would go. There you go, guys. That's how you trade. That's it. That's all what equilibrium is. That no matter what happens, I will only buy if I'm going for a long when it's in this red area. Okay. Now let me delete this real quick. Okay. So you guys see how price comes into a discount? This is the discounted price. When it comes here, I'm closer to my TP. So let's say if my TP was realistically right over here, where it hit, if my TP was right here, right, then all it is it makes more sense for me to enter the trade when it's below the zero point 0.5 rather than when it's above it. And if I had to put a stop loss on this, my stop loss would be right here. Previous areas of liquidity, guys. That's all I've been trying to teach you. Previous areas of liquidity. That's what we base our prices always going back to the previous areas of liquidity because it must pass that to go into the next area of liquidity. And I've spent so much time trying to hammer this into you guys. It's very simple. If we're looking for a short now, we remove this. I'm going to show you guys one more time because the next video that I'm going to make is showing us all our confluences together, and I'm going to show you guys how we trade. And then after that, it's just psychology. We need to have conversations, and you guys will learn how to trade, how to set your stop losses, how to know when to walk out of a trade. So for a short, right here, okay? Right there. High up. Cool. That's it. Previous areas of liquidity. Where's your TPs? TP would be here, and your you're gonna get stopped out would be right there. That's where you would set, or even over here, to be honest with you. Previous areas of liquidity right below that, right there. So you see how you're closer to your TP, so it mitigates risk, and you're away from your, closer to your stop loss, so it mitigates risk, and you're further away from your TP. So that could be TP1. Where would TP2 be? Right there, right? Just previous areas of liquidity. You keep going, you keep pushing. Another previous area of liquidity. And guess what? You smashed all three of them. Why? Because you stayed true to your strategy. It's very simple, guys. Follow it to a T, and you guys will make money. Be emotionless about it. Okay? That's your TP. That's your stop loss. There's your TP3. Look at that. Look how many pips that moves. Look how much profit lost. Look at the quantity, right? Risk reward 3.94 is what your risk reward is. Do you understand, guys? We are going to make money off of this. off of this trade. I think I took this trade realistically. When was this? Thursday, March the 5th. I did have a really good Euro USD trade that day. I don't know if it was this one. Maybe I caught it. Maybe I didn't catch it right there. Maybe I caught it on yeah, maybe I caught it on here and then I made it. Yeah, I don't remember exactly where I caught it, but I took this trade for sure on Thursday. You see, guys, it's that simple. This is how you make money off of day trading. It's not rocket science. You follow the confluences, you follow the trades. And next video, I'm just going to put it all together and you guys are going to learn what the full strategy is with how to set your stop losses, how to set your take profits, how to know when to stop, right? All right, guys, done for tonight. Peace out. Deuces. All praises to Allah. All right, peace out, boys.